Good morning. It's Heidi with Nest Pretty with my second cup of coffee, and I'm so glad to be here with you. So many things to talk about, but I'm just going to talk about one thing. Okay, two. First of all, the Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide is now available in hardback. What? So exciting. I think I prefer a hardback book. I think that's my preference. It just feels more real. What about you? Do you prefer to read a book with a hard cover, soft cover, or ebook? I mean, an ebook just eliminates all clutter. However, I'm just a little old-fashioned that way, I do believe. What about you? So, the one thing I want to talk about briefly is how amazing it is to be able to achieve amazing goals by just making a choice. So, I know at the beginning of the year, I usually list out some big goals that I have for the year. And some of them you may look at and be like, oh, it's impossible, or whatever thoughts you might have about it. But ultimately, achieving your goals is just a decision. And two tools that I've been using to help me to achieve goals that are pretty big are, number one, at the beginning of each month, I have been writing out a little paragraph called "As the CEO of My Life," because recently I gave myself a promotion. I'm now the CEO. Hello, that took forever. CEO of my life, and I make a little paragraph describing what that responsibility entails. And it's basically what's going to be my focus for the month. What things do I want to accomplish? Like accomplish, finish. And it has been so helpful. Now, in addition to that tool is also this week I identify as. I was doing it by the month, but then I said, you know what, let me get even more specific. And so every week, usually on Sunday, I write out a little paragraph of this week I identify as, and then I describe the person I want to be by the next week. Because ultimately, bottom line is we're just a choice away. We're just a thought away from achieving our goals. And just kind of deciding ahead of time who I want to be in a week has been so helpful to accomplish goals, getting the result that I want. So those are just two tools that I've been using that I thought I would share with you. It's kind of fun. What kind of person do I want to be in a week from now? And usually, well, of course, if you're smart, you want to choose a person that makes you very proud of yourself and feeling accomplished and like all the things. It's just a thought. So it's so exciting, super empowering. And by using these couple of tools, I have accomplished some huge goals. So I'm here to inspire you to do the same. That's all I have for you today. I hope you have a fantastic day. Oh, if you want to get the Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide in hardcover, it's on Amazon. I'm so excited. I think it'll make an amazing gift. Have a great day. Bye.